honey, can you please mow the lawn? I need you to shave your balls.
If your dad needs a little extra man maintenance help this Father's Day, we've got the perfect gift.
That's right, Manscaped, baby.
Their big one is their Performance Package 4.0, which basically gives you the works. Inside, you get their Lawn Mower 4.0 trimmer. It uses their advanced SkinSafe technology. It's waterproof, so you can use it in the shower.
Last year, I actually got it for my dad.
Can you imagine?
Everybody was taking pictures with it.
I'm gonna be all Manscaped up.
It was dope.
Also in this pack is their Weed Whacker 4.0, which is a nose and ear hair trimmer.
Get some weed whacking done in there.
You get their Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant and their Crop Reviver Ball Toner Spray.
Smells like success.
For a limited time, you will get 2 free gifts.
Get the travel bag and some anti-chafe boxers.
Manscaped's got the perfect tools for your dad's family jewels. So why not make this Father's Day one to remember? Go to manscaped.com and get your dad the right tools for the job with the Performance Package 4.0.